So guys, today in this video I wanna show you few functions of the Haier AC, which is quite popular. I've been using Haier air conditioners for more than 10 years, and I know that a lot of consumers struggle with the remote control settings. That's why I decided to make this video and give explanation for the basic functions that you can see right here on the remote control. I'm not going deep into the more specific functions, just like the Wi-Fi that my AC has, but more the basic functions. So let's start with the power on and off button, which is this one, the red one right here. It's pretty straightforward, and these three buttons are the main buttons for your modes. So you have cool, heat and dry. Usually the modes that you're going to use are these two. In the winter time you need heat, so the AC is going to blow hot air, warm air, and during summertime you use the cool feature, which is going to make the AC blow cool and cold air. Underneath you see these five buttons, which are also quite important. Once you set the desired mode, you can set the temperature. Currently you see it's on 23, so if we click on the minus sign it goes to 21, and if we click up it is on 23 again. So pretty straightforward. The fan icon here means that you can change the fan mode, the fan speed, how intensive the fan would be. So now it's on 1. You have the second option, the medium, and the most powerful fan here. And if you click once again, it's gonna go on auto. You see it's gonna change dynamically without pressing anything. You see here it is changing the power, so it's up to the AC interface to decide how strong will blow the air through the AC. You have the auto mode, which of course would set the AC on auto. Right now we have the circulation mode, but we want to cool because it's quite warm here, it's summertime. And the swing changes the swing angle of the blown air from your AC. And the quiet mode here on top means that it's going to set on the slowest fan speed, so it's the minimum amount of air also which is going to be blown out of the AC. This is usually set in night time when you want the minimal presence of the AC and to be as quiet as possible. And right here underneath you have some extra buttons which we are going to discuss in one of the next videos, so stay tuned, subscribe for my channel. I'm going to explain the extra functions like setting Wi-Fi control, what does the self-clean mean, and the timer settings of the AC, but today I want to keep it simple for you guys. And here on the back you need to change the batteries once in a while, so you have enough power to control the remote. And one thing that's very important, whenever you're using the remote control to change setting, please point the remote control towards the AC, because sometimes when you click on the buttons it will change something on the display, but it will not take effect on the control unit, on the unit itself. So please make sure to point this part in the direction of the AC itself if you want to change any setting. That's the basic functions of the Haier AC that I'm using. I have a couple more units, but they are mostly the same. So stay tuned and subscribe for the extra functions in one of my next videos, and see you later.